Hello Year Ones. Today for our topic we're going to be learning how to draw a space object or character, which is very exciting. So later this week, when we've written our alien stories, we're going to be illustrating them. So today we're going to learn how to draw some of the things that we might find in space. So we're going to learn how to draw an alien, a rocket and a spaceship or UFO. You're going to need your book or plain paper and a pencil will be great. And we're going to be using the videos that we use to do our doodle time at school, which I know that you all love. Okay, so our first video clip is how to draw an alien. So get your pencil and your paper ready.
Hadley, what are we drawing today?
A Toy Story alien.
Yeah, the cute green one?
Mm-hmm.
We really like that movie, don't we?
Yes.
It's a classic.
Mm-hmm.
We hope you're going to follow along with us. You got a marker and some paper. And if we ever go too fast, what can they do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, pause the video. We're going to start by drawing his first eye right in the middle of the paper. We're going to draw a little circle. Just like that. Right in the middle, over here. You're going to draw the left eye. Now we're going to draw the outside of his eye. So we're going to draw a rainbow line that goes over his eye. And since he has 3 of these, we're going to repeat a lot of the same steps.
Okay.
Now we're going to draw another rainbow line that comes underneath, and it looks like an almond shape, or a football.
Football.
Good. Now we're going to draw his right eye, and we're going to draw another circle, or another colored in circle. Yeah. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw a rainbow line that goes over, and we want to try to make these eyes look the same size too.
Okay.
Good. And then we're going to draw the rainbow line underneath. Now we're going to repeat those same steps for the left eye. We're going to draw another circle colored in. Then we'll draw the rainbow line that goes over the top. Then also the rainbow line that goes underneath, or the U shape. Upside down rainbow. Good, Hads, you did it. We'll start down here and we're going to curve up to his eye, okay? We're going to do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to draw a little curve. It comes down on each side. And this is so that we can draw the top of his head. Now we're going to imagine the top of his head going behind his eye, and then it's going to connect to the middle eye. And we're going to go behind the middle eye and connect to the right eye. Next, we're going to draw his ears. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes up, and he has pointy ears. So we're going to draw the same line on both sides. Good. And then one on the other side. Now we're going to come down with a J line. So we're going to draw the letter J. It comes down and curves in. It's already starting to look like him, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then we're going to do the same thing over here, but backwards. Good. Now let's draw the inside of his ear. We're going to draw another diagonal line on each side. Then we're going to draw the letter C and a backwards C over here. We did it. We drew his ears. Now we're going to draw the bottom of his head, and we're going to connect this ear all the way over to the other side. It's like a smile line.
Pancake.
Pancake head. Oh, you got a pancake head. That's okay. That's right. Keep going. It's totally fine. He's going to look awesome. Okay, now let's draw his mouth. And this part's really fun. We're going to draw the middle of his mouth first. So we're going to draw a little upside down smile. He looks like he's frowning or sad. So we'll draw that right in the middle. We'll make him happy. And then the corners, we're going to draw another curve that comes back the other way.
He's getting happy.
Yeah. He's going to be going, whoa.
Wow.
There, that sounds more like him. Now we're going to draw the bottom of his mouth, and so we're going to draw a smile line down here. Now on each side of his mouth, let's draw little cheek lines.
Cheek.
Now, on top of his head, he has one big antenna coming out. So we're going to draw 2 lines coming out of the top of his middle eye.
That's starting to look like him.
Yeah, it's really starting to look like him. And then at the top, we're going to draw a little circle to finish his antenna. Good. Now we're going to draw his body, and we're going to start by drawing his neck. We're going to draw another line that's right next to the bottom of his head. This is for his collar on his spacesuit. So start right here and go all the way over to the outside, the other side of his body.
Wait, are they bad guys?
No, they're good guys.
Oh yeah, yeah.
They help them, remember? They think at the very beginning they're scared, right? When they get stuck in the toy machine.
Yeah, I remember that.
Now we're going to connect this collar up to his head on each side. Then we're going to draw his body. So we're going to draw a curve that comes down on this side and another curve that comes down on the other side. And we don't want to make them too tall because they're short. They're short toys. Good. And one on the other side. Now let's draw the bottom of his legs. We're going to draw a bumpy line. It's going to come up. It's almost like a W. And then connects. And that's for the bottom of his pants.
Pants.
Suit pants. Spacesuit pants. Up
And down.
and down. Now let's draw his belt. Right here, we're going to draw an L right in the middle of his body. That's for his belt buckle. So we'll draw a letter L. And this is so that we can make a rectangle. We're going to connect the top and the bottom. Then let's finish his belt. We're going to draw a curve on the top and the bottom.
Okay.
Yes.
Looks like it's just hanging from one little strap.
Yeah. Then we got to finish the other side of the strap, the other side of his belt. We'll draw two more curves, come over to finish his belt. Next we can finish his legs. Let's draw a little line, comes up to his belt. And then we can add his feet in there. And we're going to draw big sideways U's. One on the left, and then one on the right, and we want them to be the same size. Oh, he's looking so awesome. What are we missing?
His arms.
Yeah, we're missing his arms. Let's draw two lines that come out on this side, and we want to draw him short. So he has short little arms.
Little baby hands. Arms.
Then we're going to draw two lines that match these over here on the right side. All right, let's draw his hands next. We're going to connect his wrist on each side with a little curve. Then we're going to draw his thumbs. We're going to draw an upside down U on both hands. They have two more fingers. So let's draw another curve that comes out. It's like a backwards C or a sideways U.
Oh yeah. That's funny.
Then we're going to draw another one. And this one's going to connect into his wrist. All right, now we're going to do the same thing over here. We need to draw two fingers. We're going to draw that sideways U first. We want to try and make sure that these fingers match the same size over here.
Okay.
I like his little fingers.
Nope.
Good. No, good. And then we're going to draw the second one, and it connects into his wrist. All right, Heads, what are we missing on his suit?
The planet.
Yeah, we're missing his little planet, the little logo. So we're going to draw two lines, and we're going to draw them sideways, like that.
I have a lot of room.
Yeah, you do. That's good. Okay, now on the top, we're going to draw an upside down U. This is for the planet that's inside the ring. And then we're going to draw the bottom of the planet. Kind of looks like a hamburger. Then right here on this edge, we're going to draw a small little, it's kind of hard to see with our big chubby markers, but we're going to draw little C's that connect. So it comes here and then connects up to the top.
Chubby markers.
Chubby markers. Good. And then one on the other side, backward C. And then now the bottom is a little easier to see. We're going to come out like this, big C shape or sideways U, and then we'll do the same thing up here. And this is for the ring that's going around the planet.
Oh.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
It was a little confusing at first. And so we start there, come all the way around, and then connect back up to the planet. Yes, just like that. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. Oh, see, it turned out awesome. Now inside we're going to draw the little craters on the planet. So we can put 2 little dots maybe on the top and also on the bottom. And we did it, Heads. He turned out really cool. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
All right, now we need to put our markers.
Okay, how did you do? Here's my alien. Be great if you could send in yours. Now, after you've drawn him, you could colour him in whatever colours you would like to choose. So let's see what we're going to learn to draw next.
Let's decide what are we going to do next.
Color.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to learn how to draw a rocket. I'm just going to wipe my board clean. Get ready with your new piece of paper and your pencil.
Austin, tell our art friends what we're going to draw today.
We're going to draw a rocket ship, our friends.
Dude, you got your marker?
Yeah.
All right, cool. This art activity is for young artists, right?
Yeah.
Yes, just like you.
Yeah.
And we are going to draw a rocket ship, but we're going to use shapes to do it.
Yeah.
Sound like fun?
Yeah.
Okay, get your marker ready. You're going to be really careful because this is a Sharpie, right?
Yeah.
And we don't want to get it on our clothes or on the table. We just want to draw on the paper. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. We're going to draw one little line like this. Okay? You draw a little line, just a small one, right here, Us. In the middle, right to there and right to there. Can you connect those? Good job. Okay, now we're going to draw another line. This is going to be a rectangle, okay? So we're going to draw a line down to right about there.
Okay. You did a point.
A point for you.
Yeah.
Is that okay? Does that help?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to draw the other side of the rectangle, a straight line, and we want those to be the same. Can you draw another line right here to the same point, right there? Good job. Okay, now connect the bottom, and then we're done with our rectangle. Perfect. You did it. Okay, you want 5? Okay, now we're going to draw a triangle on top of our rocket ship.
Okay.
Okay? So I'm going to put a point right here, and I'll put a point on yours. Okay, watch what I'm going to do. We're going to draw a line from this corner up and then down.
Okay. Up.
To the point. Draw to the point. Yes.
And
And then draw another one up to the point. Or down. Yeah, you did it. Okay, now we need a window in our rocket ship, don't we?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to draw a circle right here. You draw a circle right there.
Right.
Right there. Perfect. You drew the best circle ever.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to draw 2 more triangles, okay?
Okay.
And I'm going to put a point right here, and then I'm going to draw a line down, okay? So I'll put a point out here for you, and a point right here, and we're going to draw a line that connects them, okay? Yes! Okay, now we're going to connect the bottom of our rocket ship. Good job. Okay, now we're going to do the same over here. I'm going to put another point. We're going to draw a line. So I'll put a point for you. Right here and right there. Connect those? Yeah. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Good. And then we're going to connect the bottom like the other side. Boom. You did it.
Yeah.
Another 5?
Yeah.
Okay, what's our rocket ship missing? Fire.
Fire.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to draw fire and we're going to do zigzags. Okay, watch. Zigzag. Point, 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 point. Okay, and let me draw a point right here. And you draw a point right there and do a zigzag to that point.
Okay. Zigzag. Zigzag.
Zigzag, zigzag. Oh, you did it. Okay, now we're going to do the other side. Zigzag.
Okay. Zigzag.
And draw it to that point right there.
Zigzag. Zigzag.
Yes! You did it. Okay, now we're going to do one inside. We're going to do some more fire inside like this. And we'll go back up, zigzag, zigzag, up.
Okay.
Okay? I'll connect these.
I don't connect mine.
Yeah, and you can do another one inside. You want to do another fire inside? Zigzag, zigzag.
Mm.
You can go back up. Ah, I love it. You did a great job.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, should we do some clouds?
Yeah.
It's going through space.
Yeah.
So we'll go bump, 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 bump.
Okay.
Can you do that? Yes. Perfect. You did an awesome cloud. That is a really good cloud. Let's do one more cloud. We'll do another cloud on the other side. Good job, Austin. Should we do the moon?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do a circle over here. A big circle.
A big circle.
Yeah, and you drew it on the other side. That's good. And then we can draw little circles inside. And these are for the craters. So it kind of looks like Swiss cheese, huh?
Yeah.
Is the moon made out of cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah. You draw little circles inside. Awesome. Okay, should we do little stars?
I'm not done
You're
yet.
not done? You keep going?
Yeah.
That is a perfect little moon. Good job. Well, you did lots of circles. I like it. Okay, we're going to do little stars. Can you do just a little spikes like this?
Yeah.
Little spikes. You want to do little stars?
I can't do it.
You can do it. You want to try? You try. Try to do one right there, a little one. Do a little star. Wow, that looks like a star to me. Doesn't that look like a star to you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did it. You said you couldn't do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to do a couple more?
Yeah.
Good, and then do another one. You want to do a couple over here? Yes, keep going. Perfect. Ah, that's awesome. Yeah, do some up there. Make spikes. Do little spikes. Yes. And then you can do another one over here. Oh, that's a big star, huh?
Mhm.
You do little stars right there. One little star.
And then
Good job. Okay, we're done. Should we color?
yeah.
All right, let's get our colors. We got them picked out, and we're going to use...
Okay, I'm gonna let you colour your rocket in. Here's mine, my completed rocket. You can colour it in whatever colours you fancy.